guys, it's me, 200,000, back again with more faction, guys. But today, guys, it's like going to be like we're gonna probably not go PvP. We'll be open to kids and that with my churches. But today, guys, I'm gonna say home something right. I'm gonna get Dilla to home. Oh crap. Home farm slash set home dot slash home. I just deleted somehow. Home dot. So guys, today I'm gonna build a spawner room for one of you guys. So I'm gonna give away. I have a blaze spawner, and I'm gonna put one blaze spawner, and I'm gonna make a blaze room, and I'm gonna put um the blaze spawner in there is going to be for one of you guys. So I'm giving it away because I don't need it. So I'm gonna give it away, you guys. So after the rebuild the spawner, we're gonna probably open kits. Probably, I said maybe. So let's bring this. Yes, it's one blaze spawner, just one. Home dot. Okay, it's gonna be dark a little bit. So let's put light. Bruh. You're kidding me right now? I had fucking. I quit. What? No. So dumb. So let's start digging. Because this is gonna be for you guys. So. Here, let's start over here. This is gonna be a small one, and I'm gonna have some home here too, guys. So I'm gonna come add spawners and stuff. I'm literally giving a wish, and the winner's gonna know in the next video. It's gonna be in the next video, next episode. So yeah, this is just a small one, cause I don't know what to do with them. Literally, I don't like grinding. I already have my own grinder that I don't even probably don't even use. But it's 3% like a sheet. So let's put the place on it. They fucking spawn or some shit. This is spawn on top of my crap. Oh my fucking god, spawn. See what they spawn someday. You just keep building. Okay, I don't really care for the spawn. There's gonna be a dispenser here with stuff in it. I'm gonna put stuff off camera. So it's like this is like a little base. I won't sell. I won't have this home here. I will just have this home, and the winner will win this is gonna be like their base because I don't need one. This is not the best base, just for now. It takes spawn somewhere. It spawn up. Oh my fucking god. I gotta go push it. I don't have slash fire. Bruh. Okay, push them off. Guys, you cannot kill them all because I'm not the main spawner. Push. Nope. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I hate my faction. So this is, yeah, guys, I'm giving this like base kind of way. So guys, I guess if I can't push them. I can't push them off, guys. So I'm gonna make a room down here too, I guess. Like a small room down here. I put ladders. So you guys could grind up here. Since I don't know what to do. Guys, this is going to be the grinder and not down on the bottom of the base, I guess. Mm. I guess that's the only thing I can do right now. I don't have silk touch and silk touch. I would go buy one, but silk touch is after that's with an open kit. This is one of the best big. And this is like this is 100k out. I'm gonna leave some gear. I'm gonna leave UD kit and God Eater God kit in here. So yeah. Oh crap. And when I give you guys like the winner can do anything he wants with this base. He can keep it, sell it, destroy it. He can do everything he wants in his base. Literally, it's his base. Like literally, he can do everything he wants. Boy, GG. Damn. I'm not gonna answer that question. How did he? I didn't even see him buy. That's so old. He just literally bought like one of each and looked it. Boy, this kid is way. This kid's lucky. So this whole year can go up. So let me go to our base. This was a raid, guys. Like I don't know, somebody gave me this base and I can't read it. It was nothing good, so let's take a couple more. Let's go back. Did I say home in? Bruh. Yeah. So, dude, this kid just unlocked all of them. He bought them and he unlocked all of them. Bruh, but I didn't say buy it, so. Because I'll be back when I'm done. So this guy, guys, the only guy to unlock, he said he's gonna give us one. Please sound dirty if you guys. So I don't know, he said he would give me one. He gave us Inferno. Shout out to this guy, guys. Oh my god, I can't pick it up. Boy. Server reset soon, so I can't pick it. This guy is lit, boys. This guy's nice. Boy, this guy's cool. Me. So guys, I'm done the base. So guys, comment down below IGN and tell me if you want to win the giveaway or just wanna. So guys, to win the giveaway, you have to put your username, like, and subscribe. And I'm gonna be. Oh my fucking god, that mystery. So guys, yeah, so this is gonna be the giveaway, a small IG for 150 subs. That's real play 82. But this giveaway is for 140 subs. I'm gonna do small giveaways like this every time I hit like 10 subs. But when I hit a 200, every time I hit 100 subs, like when I hit 200 subs, this is gonna be a big giveaway. So yeah, guys. So comment down below your IGN if you want to win the Blaze /Blaze Grinder / Space. Peace out.